What's up everybody, Jammin JD Sports Cards here. We have our second Brothers and Cards box of the month. This is the silver box. This will run you $55. You get 6 packs in the box. So that runs you just over $9 a pack. And keep in mind that includes packaging and shipping and the few supplies in there, as well as the service of their live sort day and everything. So it's a pretty good deal. And I mean, look at all the products you could get out of that. Possibilities of Vertex, Spectra, Limited, Select, Phoenix, Unparalleled, Elite, Certified. A lot of products possibly in there. It's really cool. So we'll get to see what our mix of packs is for this month. Hopefully we can pull one of those top packs. We'll see. Let's check it out. There we go. Grab our supplies out first. You get 2 thick top loaders, 2 regular top loaders, as well as a few sleeves and the team bags if you're someone who ships. Empty box. Again, more usable supplies. So let's see what packs we got. Ooh, man, the second pack. All right, but we got 2017 Classics. And check it out. We got Limited. 1 guaranteed hit right there. Nice. Optic, very cool. Hey, we got another nice pack, Unparalleled. I haven't busted a pack of Unparalleled in a while. Another Optic, and Donruss. So we'll go Classics, Donruss, Optic, Unparalleled, and hit that pack of Limited last. See what that hit is. Here we go. If you guys missed the gold box, go check it out. I'll put the little link or whatever up top there. I hit a monster at a playoff. It shocked me. So definitely got to go see that. Perfect. J.J. Watt. Got a gold Andrew Luck. And what do we have there? Ooh. Flashback Fabrics. Let's see what it looks like. Nice. Julius Peppers. 178 of 299. Good looking card. Check it out. There's that game used material. We love to see that word. Game used. Nice. I like that. Super Bowl Heroes, Derrick Brooks. There we go. Patrick Mahomes. Hampton. Stabler. Randall. There we go. On to Donruss. Eddie Lacy, Sean Lee, Josh McCown, Bruce Smith, Winston, Plesney, Big Ben Elite Series. Love it. Up-tempo, DeMarco Murray, our Darius Stewart rated rookie, and Reuben Foster rookie. Hope that guy can get everything together. All right, 17 Optic. One kind of feels thick. That usually means we have a spacer and a numbered card. DeMarco Murray, Russell Wilson, and there it is. Let's look at this first. Here's your rookie, Kid Reporter, spacer, Le'Veon Bell with the throwback card, 62 of 99. I'll take it. That is nice. Cool, not a bad first pack of Optic. Pack 2. Looks like we're doing the same thing with a spacer. Conley rookie. J.J. Watt, Terrell Pryor. Ooh, nice. Jabril Peppers, a.k.a. Breezy. 33 of 99. Not bad. 2 numbered cards right out of the Optic. Very cool. Let's see what we can grab out of Unparalleled. I see Taco on the back, so that's sweet. Khalil Mack. Eddie Lacy, another spacer. Eric Berry. Alshon Jeffrey. Matt Forte. High Flyers, Randy Moss. Our rookies, Jones and Taco. This one should be numbered. 37 of 149. Cool. A lot of numbered cards. Now let's see what our hit from Limited is. Base cards, Carlos Hyde, Kirk Cousins, Emmanuel Sanders, Mark Ingram, and Zach Cunningham. Ooh, look at the short print, 8 of 10. Not too shabby right there. So we got 2 nice hits and then a ton of numbered cards. So that's pretty good. Not a bad silver box. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you tomorrow.